live from the place that's celebrating the Water and Lily Festival of the Philippines, Las Piñas City. Happy Pride Month, everyone! Ow!
All the way from the United States pala ito. Las Vegas, Nevada, candidate number 14.
Of Recto, Manila. My name is Lex Labonan, 24, hailing all the way from the Queen Province of the North, Provincia de Isabela. Thank you.
Or should I say, a magnificent evening to each and everyone. I am Mat Jacinto, 21 years old, nagmula ka sa probinsyang hindi tatlo, hindi dalawa, kundi nag-iisa, Isabela!
Thank you, candidate number 16, all the way from Isabela. Ang layo ng Isabela. Sa province si Ma'am. Palakpakan naman for number 17.
Crazy ah. Let's go, sir.
Oh.
Diyos na malahay na banggi sa Indogabos. Ako po, si Binibining Maria Chascadane, 25 taong gulang. Kumakatawan sa mumaalab, umiinit at patuloy na pumuputok na Bulkang Mayon. Siyudad ng Legazpi, probinsya ng Albay. Mauragon! Maghayon.
Diba, ito yung malayo from Albay, candidate number 17.
Good evening, people of Recto. This is March Iglesias, 26, all the way from the city of Tuguegarao, province of Cagayan Valley. Good evening.
Yes, from Tuguegarao. Uy, malayo na yung lugar. No?
Yes.
Tuguegarao, the
Mas malayo
hottest,
sa Isabela yan.
the hottest town or city in the
Dati din yung
Philippines.
Isabela papunta doon. Pero mag-ibang way na.
dalawang gulang at tagapagtaguyod ng lungsod ng Mandaluyong.
Yes, Yoniel from the Tiger City, Mandaluyong. That's candidate number 19 para
Magandang gabi, Quiapo! Ha, unte. Ang bagong version. Summer Jane Corpus, 19 years old, from the Manila's Northeast Edge, Santa Mesa, Manila!
Thank you so much. Ang ibig sabihin niya recto kasi malapit ang Quiapo sa recto. So tabing ano lang tayo. Diba?
Good evening, people of Recto Manila. Serving you Trans Excellency from a pure-blooded Tamarao. This is Nicole Ayala Gokongwei, representing the infamous Gagalangin, Tondo, Manila.
Thank you so much, candidate number 21. Taray, no? Ano naman, parang Victoria's Secret or Moulin Rouge na
Yes,
ano,
inspired.
tema, inspired, yes. 21.
Babatiin na namin ang aming napakamahal na nagawad Dodo yung nandito ngayon. Magandang po.
of the land. My name is Jemarie Sabalatiero, and I came all the way from the humble municipality of Morong Province of Bataan. Magandang gabi po.
Thank you so much, candidate number 22, all the way from...
Jerbat Roland. Jerbat Roland.
po si Castal. Sige, tulong po. Thank you so much. Iba yung handler niya, no? Baka manalo po itong handler. Thank you po yan.
Traveled for almost 18 hours just to be here and to see all your beautiful faces makes all my efforts worth it. Naimbag, arabing ikado kayo amin, or should I say, what a glamorous and spectacular evening, people of Recto. The girl is standing in front of you is Miss Ringo Antonio. At 23 years old, stunner, humbly uplifting from the northernmost part of Luzon, Municipality of Ballesteros, Province of Cagayan.
Thank you,
Ayan,
candidate
also.
number 20, North 3.
Yes.
Cagayan, no? Malayo.
Naimbag, napintas, pinaragsak na Recto, Manila. I am ML2 Pi, your queen of Quiapo Universe 2026, representing the municipality of Umingan, Province of Pangasinan.
Thank you so much, our candidate number 24, Miss ML Tukay. Palakpakan naman. Number 24. Ganda ni Marlon. Happy viewing.
Thank you so much. Healing from everyone. The enemy has been slain. Victory. My name is Brenda Alexander Fox, 25 years of age, from the home of Bamboo Organ and Water Lily Festival, Las Piñas City. Mark my number, your candidate number 25, and I'll give you the best show. Good evening.
As they always say, save the best for last. Naimbag na rabigi, Metro Manila, Recto Manila. And standing before you is a fresh 23 years old. I am Angel Bert S. Castillo, who hails all the way from the northern part of Luzon, city of Ilagan, province of Isabela.
Si Ma'am Isabel.
Oh,
Ilan?
ilan sila lahat? Tatlo, no?
Yes, sa mga taga Isabel.
So this is,
Sina.
oo,